You're watching WBRZ News 2 at 4.
Welcome back. Well, once again, joining us in our studio is the one and only Dr. Z. Her name's Dr. Ann Zedlitz, but we call her Dr. Z.
Hey, Sarah.
Hello, Dr. Z. Thanks for joining us today.
Oh, thanks for having me.
Well, today, Dr. Z is going to tell us about getting a game plan. Talk to us a little bit about how do we get this game plan? What is this game plan?
Great. What is a game plan? Well, for the past few weeks, we've been talking about different products that we can use on our face on a daily basis to help our skin look its best. Well, now I want to talk about different procedures that are available. How do we decide what procedures are available? That's where the game plan comes in.
Okay.
And so one of the first things that I like to do is when a patient comes in, we take this picture. It's called a Vizia. A Vizia is a system to analyze your skin. It's a computer-generated system that analyzes your skin and gives you a report card, basically. And I had some great patients here that were willing to share their Vizias. And this young lady came in and she had some wrinkles that she was concerned about. And so on the left side, you'll see her before picture, and on the right side, her after picture after she had a few procedures done. And this computer system is a great way to show those before and after photos, so we can see the changes. And so her picture, she was concerned about wrinkles, and she had this vibrant personality, but her skin quite didn't match. And so now she's very happy with her results, and we can show that. And then, okay, I didn't know if we had another one. I wasn't happy with my report card when I first had my Vizia done, but it really showed me some things that I needed to focus on, and so I started my little game plan. So we would formulate a game plan based on your report card from that Vizia, and then your goals, and then any time frame that you had. If you had weddings coming up, a reunion that you wanted to look good for, if you had any time constraints as far as you could take off a week of work or you could only have a weekend off, and then of course budgetary constraints. And so we take into account all those things, and then we have formulated a game plan just for you.
That's awesome. So I can see how useful that report card is. You can definitely see the difference. Here's another picture. Kind of explain that to us.
Yes. Okay, so this is another patient, and it shows the brown discoloration on her face. On the left side, again, was the before picture, and you can see the little scale at the bottom that shows her percentile ranking was less than average. And then on the right side, you can see where it went up very high. And again, these before and after pictures help reinforce that indeed the procedures worked, but also, you know, the patient here has an objective reading, not just someone saying, wow, you look good, but the computer doesn't lie. We
have another picture, and this one, what is this one showing? Kind of the same thing?
Actually, this is ultraviolet damage from the sun, and you can reverse some of that damage. Of course, I always talk about sunscreen because that is the #1 thing in our armamentarium. But here, the UV damage on the left is pretty significant. And then on the right, after having some procedures done, it is much less, and her percentile ranking went up.
Wow, that's awesome. So this Vizia is so important, and I feel like I've never even heard of a Vizia. So
we're going to have to change that.
I know. I want to get this done. How long does that take to get done?
It takes about 15 or 20 minutes. We have you come in early before your consultation with me, and we have the Vizia done so that we can go over it during the consultation.
So there you have it, a Vizia. It helps you get your game plan for your skin, that is.
Yes.
And Dr. Z will help us get that together. Actually, we have a treat for you. If you're in our audience and you would like to have a Vizia, over the next few weeks we'll be discussing, you know, procedures, fillers. What will we be discussing over the next few weeks?
We have so many different procedures: fillers, chemical peels, laser treatments, Botox, Dysport. The list is almost endless, and so we will have all of those procedures to go over.
So we're going to go over those procedures, but if you would like to get a Vizia by Dr. Z and would like to, well, you're going to have to qualify to get it. You can send an email to srosario@wbrz.com. That's my email, and I'll send your pictures on to Dr. Z. All you have to do is attach a picture of yourself and tell us what you feel needs to be changed. You'll get a Vizia. Dr. Z will take care of you.
Yeah, we have another treat today.
Oh, we do have another treat. I forgot. Basket. We have a gift basket. What's in our gift basket?
Well, of course, sun protective sunscreen, and then we have these tan towels that help you get a safe glow to your skin. So not the tan from the sun, but the artificial tan.
All right, so call our TV station and you can get this gift basket. All right.